Hey guys, and welcome back to building an entire app on Real/Shorts. We are really close to finishing all the coding components for our app. All I want to do is just format my settings page a little bit more. And so the first thing I'm going to do for that is add my entire VStack with all my components into a scroll view. And this will allow the user to be able to scroll through the settings page when they expand the help section. Also, I'm going to be changing the modifiers for the help section a little bit to make the text a little bit smaller. And I'm going to be adding links to a privacy policy and the terms of use in the same way that I had shown previously. And I do know that you need to have a privacy policy in terms of use if you have in-app purchases in your app. I don't know if you need to, if it's either a free app or just paid through the Apple App Store, but I'm still just going to be adding these in case so that my app doesn't get rejected in the App Store review. If you're worried about adding a privacy policy in terms of use, you can search up the requirements because they're often pretty simple, and you can use a free site like Wix or DirectMe or anything that you know to just be able to make a specific URL that you can add inside your app that will link to that privacy policy or terms of use. And with that, I think that my settings page is looking a lot better overall, and I may make some edits off camera just to refine it a bit, but it's not going to be any new concepts or any new coding, just to touch up everything and make sure that it looks good. Happy coding!